My name is Frederico Fonseca. I have my own company here in Portugal. We are a startup. I'm the CEO and also one of the founders of Pyck. We have a sustainable, ecological and convenient laundry service, which we want to provide to all population, but especially for commuters. So KnubiSoft was actually recommended to us, and we decided to ask for a quotation to make sure that KnubiSoft could actually deliver on our expectations. Happily, it was a very, very interesting engagement from their side, and this helped us understand exactly what we wanted, but also what KnubiSoft could deliver. For our business, we really needed an application. It's very important that we had something that was very safe and also portrayed a very easy solution for the client. And with this, we guarantee that our laundry service is actually 99% digital. KnubiSoft approached our idea in a very interesting way regarding our lack of knowledge in terms of development. So as if they were a part of us already. So that was where we felt very comfortable about not having to understand every program term and developing terms. It was the way we had to go. We had the confidence and we had also the help that we needed, but also when we understood better where KnubiSoft came from and their cultural background, we also identified that immediately with our core values, which is highly looking into deep solutions of inclusion and also opportunity, but especially this last core value, which is actually helping people that want to be helped, and also hiring a good quality service that people actually want to work. And this is where we also found the balance in KnubiSoft. We wanted to develop a digital laundry solution for clients, for commuters who actually don't have a lot of time to do their laundry or don't want to take up much time caring about their laundry. So we had to develop an app which were very simple steps. So to put this all in the nutshell is actually have your laundry done in 5 steps maximum, nothing more. First connection we did with KnubiSoft was in January of this year. Since then, we're constantly in connection with the KnubiSoft project time, which was around 6-8 months. I think I'll divide this into 2-3 phases. So the first phase, I think it's the phase where we're getting to know each other. And this was a moment where I met Olga and Alex, most specifically, to develop actually this design and to guarantee that the budget would be most precisely as possible. So this was the first phase, and this took around 1 month, which is very, very acceptable. And after this, we entered into the second phase, which was to get into the real figures of what was what and how much would cost doing this or that. And that's where we met also Anna. And if I'm not wrong, she's UX UI designer from KnubiSoft, which was a very amazing help. So again, a third person that we met, also very, very useful, very, very friendly. And also at the same time, we felt that she already worked for us for quite a while. The same thing happened with Alex and Olga. And then in the last phase, which was the biggest phase, which is turning the idea into something real, right? And this was the biggest phase of all. And during this time, actually, I also overviewed this situation. The only way that we understood that we could portray this to KnubiSoft was to be on top of the moment and guarantee that we appreciate every single work that's being done. And our plan is to keep in connection because we're happy with what we're seeing. We're very happy with the final solution. It was a very interesting and fun and also, I would say, very personal connection, even though we never met anybody of KnubiSoft personally. But it was very, very fulfilling to see that we came out as partners, but also friends with KnubiSoft. So when we cared, we knew that on the other side, KnubiSoft also cared as much as us. And that's where I think we connected very strongly, thanks to a lot of work from Olga, but also a lot of work from, I believe, from Anna. So because she also guaranteed that she did the follow-up of the first connection that we had. KnubiSoft also offered us back-end development and bug fixing for 3 months, and we're almost finishing these 3 months, which I hope will keep on connecting with KnubiSoft, because Every time I have a problem or have a small detail that must be fixed, I know that in 4 hours they will be dealt with, or they will have feedback from me. I already recommend KnubiSoft here in Portugal a lot. So I recommend it already to at least 2 or 3 contacts of mine since we started connecting with KnubiSoft until now. Yes, I'm going to recommend.